What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add songs to Spotify or play local files on Spotify app in your mobile phone. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to go to your Spotify app. After opening the Spotify app, you have to click on your profile in the left top corner just like this. After going to profile, you have to click on settings and privacy. So you have to click on this. You have to go to on settings and privacy option. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you so that you can play local files in your Spotify app. So after going to settings, what you need to do, you have to scroll down and you have to find the option that called local files. Just like this, you have to click on local files. If this option turned off, you need to make sure that this option turned on. So what I need to do, you have to click this option, and if this option shows the green, that means this option is now turned on. So after doing so, you are ready to go. Now you can play local files in your Spotify app in your mobile phone. So I hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.